Hello everyone, welcome to Sneha videos. This video is for 7th class, chapter 1 integers, and in this video we are going to discuss the problems from exercise 1.4 second bit. Please follow the link given in the description for exercise 1.4 first bit and the problems and exercises from chapter 1 integers. So before going to the exercise problems, let us discuss the multiplication of symbols. Plus into plus is plus, minus into minus is plus. Okay, so the thing you should remember here, when two same symbols are multiplied, whether it may be plus or whether it may be minus, when two same symbols, here also two same symbols are multiplied, then the solution will be in plus symbol. Okay, in the same way, when two different symbols are multiplied, here plus and minus, these two are different symbols. When these two different symbols are multiplied, your solution will be in minus. Okay, so the thing you should remember here is same symbols friend is plus and different symbols friend is minus. You remember in this way so that you will not get confused. Same symbols friend is plus and different symbols friend is minus. Okay, let us apply this property to our problems. Your first bit is of fill in the blanks. In the same way, your second bit, you will be asking the problem, then you should solve. Okay, he will ask plus 15 into minus 3. In that way, you should multiply the symbols first and then multiply the integers. Okay, so let us start the exercise problems. So here is your question. Find each of the following products. Okay, so let us take the first question. 3 into minus 1. Okay, here he asked product. Product means multiplication. Okay, so plus, here 3 is not having any symbol, means it is in plus symbol, and he has to do the product, and here this 1 is having minus symbol. So here you have two different symbols, plus and minus. When two different symbols are multiplied, your answer will be in minus, because two different symbols friend is minus. So your answer is in minus, and 3 into 1 is 3. 3 ones 3. So your answer is minus 3. First you should do the multiplication of the symbols, then multiplication of the numbers. Okay, in the same way let us solve the second one. Minus 1 into 225. Okay, first we'll do the multiplication of symbols. 1 is having minus symbol, 225 is having plus symbol. So minus into plus is minus, because two different symbols, right? Two different symbols friend is minus. Okay, so your answer is minus, and here 1 multiplied with any number means any number multiplied by 1 gives the same number as answer, right? So your answer will be minus 225. Clear? So let us go to the next problem. So here is your next question. Minus 21 into minus 30. Okay, minus 21 into minus 30. Here it is in minus, and this number is also in minus. Two minus symbols means two same symbols. The product of two same symbols will give you the answer in plus. So the multiplication of symbols is finished. Now multiply the numbers. First we'll multiply just 21 into 3. 21 into 3 is 63, and here the number is ending with digit 0. So put the digit 0 here. Okay, so do the multiplication of symbols first. Two same symbols, the answer will be in plus. Plus 630 is your answer. Okay, so let us go to the next one. Minus 316 into minus 1. Okay, so do the multiplication of symbols. Two minus symbols means two are friends, right? Two same symbols are friends. There are the two same symbols friend will be in plus. So put the answer symbol as plus and multiply the numbers. 316 into 1 means 1 multiplied to any number will give you the same number as answer. So you'll get 316 as your answer. So plus 316 is your answer. So first multiply the symbols, then multiply the number. Okay, so you'll get plus 316. So here is your next question. Minus 15 into 0 into minus 18. Okay. So one thing you should remember here. Here one of the numbers is 0. Okay. So 0, whenever it is multiplied to any number, even if it is multiplied to one number like 15, or it is multiplied to two numbers 18 minus 18 plus 18, whatever it is, or multiplied to 6 7 8, you can take here 7 10 numbers also. But when any numbers are multiplied with 0, will give you the answer as 0 only. Okay, I can give the statement like anything multiplied by 0 is 0 only. Okay, you no need to check the other numbers multiplication. Just whenever a number is multiplied by 0, you can put the answer directly 0 only. It is possible only for the multiplication. Okay, it will be different for plus, it will be different for minus, it will be different for division also. Okay, but when 0 is multiplied to any number, the answer will be 0 only. Okay, so let us go to the next one. Here the answer is 0, we can write directly 0. Now we'll go to the next problem. Minus 12 into minus 11 into 10. Okay, so here first do the multiplication of symbols. Okay, minus into minus. Okay, this is plus. We'll discuss about this plus later. Now see here, both are in minus. I can write like minus. How many minus are there? 2 minus. So I can write whole square. Okay, why I'm telling this procedure means here I gave only 3 numbers. It is easy. Suppose I gave like a big one like minus 3 into minus 4 into minus 7 into minus 6 into minus 2 into like this. Okay, if I take so many numbers and I took minus symbol only for all the numbers. Okay, now you cannot do like this, minus into minus plus plus into minus 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 into minus plus. It takes a lot of time. Okay, so in this case you count how many minus are there first. Okay, here 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so I can write minus whole power 5. Okay, here now you should see this minus is having power as positive even number or odd number. Okay, if a minus is having even power, your answer will be in plus. If a minus is having odd power, your answer will be in minus. Okay, one thing you should remember, even numbers minus power, if even number, your answer will be plus. Minus power odd number means your answer will be in minus. So even friend is plus, odds friend is minus. Okay, so here there are two minus symbols. I can put minus whole square or whole power 2, you can tell. So minus power 2 means even number, right? So even numbers friend is plus. So I can write plus. Now plus into plus is plus only. So answer will be in plus. Okay. So minus into plus is plus. Instead of doing like minus into minus into minus into minus, I am telling in this way. Okay. Please follow this method so that you will not be confused. You cannot, you're not supposed to do like this, minus into minus into minus. It takes a lot of time. Okay. You follow this procedure, minus power even number means plus, minus power odd number means minus. Okay, now do the multiplication of these three numbers. 12 into 11 is 132, right? It is multiplied by 10 means 10 here means it is 1 here. So 10 I can put directly 0 here. If it is 20, then I should do first with multiply by 2, then I can put 0 here. Clear? So our answer will be plus 1320. So I can write directly 1320. Okay. So let us go to the next problem. So here is your next question. 9 into 3 minus 3 into minus 6. Okay. So here also there are three integers and with different symbols. Okay. So here no symbol for 9 means it is in plus, and here two minus symbols are there. Okay. So first multiply these two different minus symbols. Minus into minus is plus. So plus into plus is plus. Okay. Whenever the symbols are like this, you just first multiply the minus symbols. Okay, we finished with minus symbols. Minus into minus is plus. Anyhow, plus into plus will be plus only. Okay, so the answer will be in plus. Now multiply the numbers. Okay, 9 into 3 into 6, or you can do 6 into 3 into 9. Any way you can do. Okay, so if you multiply these three numbers, you will get 162. Clear? So next problem is minus 18 into minus 5 into minus 4. Okay, so here there are three minus symbols. Whenever there are same symbols like minus, minus whole power, I'm taking like this, minus whole power 2 and minus whole power 3. Instead of 1, you can put any number, 3, 4, whatever is there. Okay, here my main thing is to do the multiplication of the symbols. Okay, so here minus whole square, I can read it as minus 3 whole square, right? Square is an even number. Here the power 2 is an even number, means minus whole power even number will be always plus. Okay, and here minus power odd number, 3 is an odd number, minus power odd number will be in minus. Okay, suppose I gave minus 6 whole power 4 or 8, whatever it is, 8 I gave. Okay, so here minus is having an even power, 8 is an even number, so minus is having an even power, means the answer will be in plus symbol. Okay, suppose I gave minus 7 whole power 11. Here 11 is an odd number, minus is having odd power. Whenever a minus is having odd power, your answer will be in minus. Okay, now in this problem, how we can use this property means, here there are three minus symbols, minus, minus, minus. Three minus symbols, I can write like minus whole cube, right? Because same symbols multiplied 3 times means I can write minus whole cube, right? So minus to the power of 3. 3 is an odd number, right? So minus power odd number is minus. Even numbers friend is plus, odd numbers friend is minus. So minus power odd number is minus. Okay, my answer will be in minus. Okay, now I should multiply the numbers. When you multiply 18, 5, 4, you can multiply in this way. 5 into 4 is 20 into 18. Okay, whatever answer you got with the product of these two, multiply 18 to that one. Okay, so 18 2s is 36. 36 I'll write, and this number is ending with digit 0, so I can put 0 directly. So minus 360 is your answer. Okay, so don't forget, don't confuse here. Whenever minus, there are so many minus symbols. Suppose I am having here minus 2 here. Okay, here minus is repeated 4 times, so I can write minus whole power 4. It is an even number, 4 is an even number, so minus power even number will be in plus symbol. Okay, so the solution will be in plus, and answer, you should multiply the numbers. Clear? So let us go to the next problem. So here is your next problem. Minus 1 into minus 2 into minus 3 into 4. Okay. So here also you count how many minus are there. 1, 2, 3. So I can write minus power 3. Okay. Into plus. This is plus symbol. So we'll do it this one at last. Here minus power 3. 3 is an odd number. Right. 3 is an odd number. Minus power 3 is minus, because minus power odd number will give you minus only. Okay, now we got the multiplication of these symbols. Minus into this is plus, right? So minus into plus is minus. Okay, don't confuse. First do the multiplication of minus symbols. Minus power even means you should put plus, minus power odd means you should put minus. Okay, remember like this. Plus is a friend of even number and minus is a friend of odd number. Okay, you know even and odd numbers, right? If you don't know, please follow the link given in the description. I'll give the playlist of this 7th class completely. Follow that link. You can get exercise problems as well as the basics, prime, composite, what are even numbers, odd numbers, everything. Okay, please follow the link given in the description. Now here 3 minus are there, so we got minus into here 4 is having plus symbol, so minus into plus is minus. Our solution will be in minus. Now multiply the numbers 1 into 2, 2, 2, 3, 6, 6 4, 24. Okay, so our answer is minus 24. Now your next question is minus 3 into minus 6 into minus 2 into minus 1. Okay, so if you observe carefully here, every number is having minus symbol. Okay, means I can write minus, and how many minus are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So minus power 4. So 4 is an even number. So even numbers, friend, is plus. So our answer will be in plus. Now our answer will be in plus, and multiply the numbers 3, 6, 18. 18 to 36. 36 once is 36. So your answer will be in plus 36. Clear? So let us go to the next slide. Take your own problems. Take 5 numbers in one question. Some positive, some negative. Multiply the symbols first. Same symbols multiplication will give you plus. Different symbols multiplication will give you minus. And remember one thing, minus power even number will be plus. Minus power odd number will be minus. Okay, you please remember these two properties and solve them. Okay, so if you understand this video, if you like this video, please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.